We guide you through how to hide Instagram notes from someone quickly. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and go to your inbox or direct messages section where notes appear at the top. Then tap your profile icon with your current note. Next, choose Share a Note, and before posting, look for the option that says Share with and select either close friends or followers you follow back. If you want to hide your notes from a specific person, the best method is to use the close friends list. So tap close friends, then edit your list by removing that person if they are already included, or simply avoid adding them. Once done, go back and post your notes so only selected people can see it. Alternatively, if the person is already viewing your notes and you want to fully restrict them, you can go their profile, tap the three dots, and choose Restrict, which limit their interaction with your content, including notes, visibility in some cases. And that's it. Your Instagram notes are now hidden from the specific person without them being notified.